Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a delicious treat in store for you, Cumin Roasted Pork Medallions. These succulent and flavorful bites are perfect for satisfying your cravings. Let's dive right into the cooking process. First, we'll start by rinsing the pork medallions and ensuring they are free of excess water. Then, cut them into perfectly sized pieces, ready to be transformed into delightful medallions. To eliminate any undesirable odors, we'll use the refreshing touch of lemon juice. This step ensures our pork is fresh and inviting, ready to be infused with aromatic flavors. Now, the magic happens as we create a delectable mixture of oyster sauce and fragrant cumin powder. Once combined, we'll spread this mouth-watering concoction evenly over the pork medallions, adding layers of taste to every bite. To allow the flavors to meld beautifully, we'll wrap the marinated pork medallions with plastic wrap and let them marinate in the refrigerator overnight. Trust us, this step is well worth the wait. Next, we'll fire up our trusty air fryer, preheating it to 180 degrees Celsius for optimal cooking results. Gently place the marinated pork medallions into the air fryer and let the cooking adventure begin. In just 15 minutes per side, our medallions will be perfectly roasted to juicy tenderness with enticing aromas wafting through the kitchen. Once the cooking is complete, artfully arrange the cooked pork medallions on a serving plate, creating an inviting presentation for your dining pleasure. Congratulations! Your cumin roasted pork medallions are now ready to be enjoyed. Don't forget to give this recipe a try and share your experience with me. I'd love to hear your thoughts and see how your own culinary adventure turns out. Thanks for tuning in, and until we meet again, happy cooking and bon appetit!